Hi babes, welcome back. For today's Sunday tutorial, I am showing you my version of the ultimate natural makeup, but taking it up a notch by adding some major glam. This makeup is also the perfect makeup for weddings and bridal. All right, let's get started. For this look today, all the products that I'll be using are going to be from NARS. This is not a sponsored video, you guys, but this is something I want to try more often, just using one brand, because I think it might be a little bit easier for you guys. But let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm starting off with the NARS Super Radiant Booster Cream. This glow cream is so pretty on the skin underneath foundation to give your skin that luminosity, that little bit of dewiness, which is perfect for this type of look. For foundation, I'm using the foundation that I've pretty much been using for most of my videos lately. It is the NARS Natural Radiance Longwear Foundation. There's just something about this foundation that I feel works so well. It has the perfect texture between kind of somewhere in between a matte and a dewy. I'm swatching 3 different shades here for you guys so you guys can kind of see the different tones. The shade that I think works best on me is called Sahel, but I do really love to mix 2 pumps of Sahel with 1 pump of Santa Fe. That gives me the perfect shade right now for my skin tone. But again, as the seasons change and my skin might get darker over the summer, I do switch colors. This foundation is a definite favorite. It's a staple in my makeup. I use it almost every day. It just looks great on the skin. It's a long wear and the coverage is beautiful. Another staple is the NARS Natural Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is another concealer that I've been using a ton. This is probably in my top 3 concealers. I love the coverage. It's more of a medium coverage concealer. The texture is great. It's super creamy, so you can blend it out really well. And the shades are great. So I love the shade Canal for me. It gives like beautiful warm golden highlight. I also like taking a darker shade of the concealer to use that as my cream contour color. I usually grab the shade Eman to do this. This gives your face a lot of definition and dimension. So if you are doing this look for bridal, contouring is a really key step because it's going to look great in pictures. And then also making sure that you set all your makeup with powder. This is a definite must. Make sure you set your makeup with powder because you want your makeup to last and you don't want to look shiny in pictures. To define my face a little bit more and add a little bit of warmth, I'm using the NARS bronzing powder all over and also just in all of the contour areas as well. And then over that, I'm using one of my favorite blushes of all time. It is the NARS Orgasm Blush. This is a perfect kind of pinky peach with a little bit of gold undertones to it. Also, this brush that I'm using here is from Bare Minerals. This is my current favorite blush brush. It is the perfect size and shape. I will link it for you guys in the description box below. I'm using the NARS highlighter in Fort de France. This is a key step because adding this bit of highlight in all the key areas around your temple, on top of your cheekbone, the side of your nose, this is what's going to give your skin this beautiful luminosity. And this looks stunning in every day or in pictures. On the eyes today, I'm keeping it really simple, but we're gonna make the eyes look gorgeous in just a couple of steps. So I'm starting with the NARS Loaded Eyeshadow Palette. The first 2 shades that I'm using, I'm mixing my brush in these 2 warm matte crease colors. And I'm using a really nice, big, fluffy blending brush just to get that color just kind of all over. So in my crease and blending up and out. And then I'm going in with my finger and I'm grabbing this light metallic bronzy shade. This looks so pretty on. It's very natural, but you're going to give a little bit of luminosity to your eyes. And then I'm going in with this dark brown shade from the palette and this skinny liner brush. And I'm applying this color like a liner right at the base of my lashes. This is going to look super pretty on because it's still a shadow. So it's not like a harsh black cream liner or jet liner. The shadow makes it look just very soft and pretty, but you're still getting that definition of that line. So you're really going to accentuate your eyes. I'm finishing off the eyes with a bit of the NARS Climax Mascara and throwing on a pair of lashes for my outer corners. I don't remember what lashes these are, you guys. I'm so sorry. I would just do like an Ardell Demi Wispy, or Ardell Wispies are usually the perfect ones for this type of look. For the lips, I'm using the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in the shade Get It On. Whether you're doing this makeup look for every day or for wedding and bridal, if you want your lip to stay on all day and not budge, these power mattes are amazing for that. These liquid lipsticks stay on your lips and do not budge. On top of that, I'm applying the NARS Unlaced Velvet Lip Glide Lip Gloss. This is a beautiful pinky shade to give the lips a little bit of gloss. This look is so easy to do, and honestly, with a little bit of practice, you can do this look so quickly. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button because I post a new tutorial every single Sunday. So if you love makeup and beauty and so much more, you're going to love this channel. Be sure to add me on Instagram because I post mini tutorials there and I do a ton of giveaways. Please make sure you leave me a comment below. I love reading all of your feedback. I hope you guys love this Sunday's tutorial, and I will see you next Sunday with a brand new look.